Sarah and Alex sit across from each other, exchanging glances and smiles, feeling an unspoken connection. The scene transitions to a park where Sarah and Alex embark on their first date. And a genuine connection starts to blossom. In this video, I will show you everything on my computer, but you can do the same work on your mobile phone. So let's get started. We will divide this video into 4 steps. Step number 3 is very important. So watch the full video. First, let's start with step 1. Unleash your creativity by creating a unique story script. ChatGPT to create a short love story about Sarah and Alex, around 200 words. It's like magic. You'll see an amazing story unfold right before your eyes. Oh, and don't forget to ask ChatGPT for prompts for each scene in your story. I'll give you some tips on choosing the right prompts too, so stay tuned. Congratulations! You've completed step 1 with your story script ready. Now, let's move on to step 2. We'll create a captivating voiceover for your story using an amazing tool called 11 Labs. But if you prefer, you can also use your own voice. Just copy your script and paste it into the tool, click Generate, and within a minute, you'll have a mesmerizing voiceover ready to use. Listen to it, download it, and enjoy the magic of your creation. Step 2. Done and dusted. Our third step is to generate 3D animation video using AI. To generate videos, we are using MoonValley AI. Get ready for an amazing adventure into the world of AI-made videos. Imagine stunning videos effortlessly created on any device you like. Exciting, right? Let me introduce you to a revolutionary tool that will transform how you... This incredible AI turns text into jaw-dropping videos like you've never seen before. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning and captivating videos it creates. They're not your usual videos, they're truly extraordinary. Are you excited to try out this amazing tool? To start, go to the website mentioned in the description. MoonValley AI operates on Discord, just like Midjourney. You'll need a Discord account to use this amazing tool, but creating one is easy. Visit their website, sign up with any email, and you're good to go. Click the tempting "Try the beta" button, and watch as the Discord invite link pops up. Click Accept, and get ready to enter the magical MoonValley AI Discord server. Once you reach this exciting place, scroll down to discover 6 appealing channels inviting you to make your own AI videos. Pick any channel that sparks your creativity, the options are limitless. Pause for a moment to see other creators bringing their unique ideas to life. Now, it's your turn to showcase your talent and shine. Prepare to become the master of AI video creation. Find the text box and enter the command /create. Witness the command template appear. Now, in the prompt box, you have to write the prompts for your video. You can write anything that you want here. It is all up to you. After writing the prompts, come to the style box, and select a style from here. MoonValley AI offers you 5 different styles. Just select the one that you want to use here. After that, come to the duration box, and select the length for your video. The more the duration, the longer will it take to generate. So keep that in mind. Press enter, and like magic, your video starts materializing. Copy the prompt ID, to ensure your video remains within your grasp. Boom, your AI video is born, showcasing MoonValley AI's exceptional quality. You have to repeat the same work for all of your prompts. Now we move to the last part. Here we will combine and edit all of these things to make a story video. You can use any video editor you like. I will use the Adobe Premiere Pro app. Just open the app and click on the New Project button. Now import all the videos and voiceovers you created. Now import any background music you like. You can download it from the YouTube library or any other free audio website. Now adjust the placement of your videos and add any transitions or effects you want. In this video, I will use some basic transitions that you will find on Premiere Pro. If you can't understand any of the steps, then simply watch the video again in slow motion. You can also add subtitles using this tool very easily. Just go to Window and select Workspaces and select Captions and Graphics, then click on Transcribe Sequence and click on Create Captions and export the video. It will be downloaded into your PC, so your video is ready. Now you can check out the result. Now you can upload this video on YouTube and make money by monetizing your channel with Google Ads. I hope you have got some value from this video. If you learned something useful from this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the thrilling content coming soon. Thank you for watching. Until next